Hey guys, welcome back to Cookmas Day 8, and today we are making this key lime cheesecake. Now the inspiration behind this key lime cheesecake was Cheesecake Factory, and I am not about to keep paying $10 a slice for, a piece of cheesecake, so I decided to make my own. So as you can see, I'm just crushing up my graham crackers, adding a little bit of sugar and some cinnamon. Then I'm going to add in some melted butter so we can get our nice thick crust. So when your crust is done, you just pat that down till it's nice and flat. Make sure you have a 9-inch spring form pan. And it should look a little something like that. And we are going to bake the crust at 300 degrees for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to set that to the side while we work on our cheesecake mixture. As you can see, I'm starting off with 3 Philadelphia cream cheese. And I'm going to go ahead with some sugar, a tablespoon or a teaspoon of cornstarch. And then we're going to zest 1 whole lime into that. So you want to beat that till it's nice and smooth. And make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now you just want to go in with a ½ cup of lime juice, freshly squeezed, or you can buy the one that's in a bottle. Just make sure it's not from concentrate. Now you just want to go in with about a teaspoon of vanilla, mix that well, and then we're going to add 3 eggs. So after you add your eggs and mix them well, you are done with their cheesecake mixture, and we're just going to pour that on top of our graham crust. Then we are going to stick this in the oven for about an hour or so, maybe 50 to 60 minutes. Then we're going to take 2 cups of water, putting that in a bake safe dish, and we're going to place that under the cheesecake while it bakes. And when the cheesecake is done, just turn the oven off and crack the oven just a little bit, just so it can cool off in the oven, because if you don't, it will crack. And it's okay if it cracks, but it just won't be pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on day 9.